Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here. You know guys, I am always pushing the boundaries and trying to be different. So today I sat down and I thought about this, trying this. So this one is just an experiment. I guess if I do any more like these, I would probably do things a little bit different. But I thought I'd try it out just to see how it would go, where I would do a portrait and then try to use fabric to put some color on it instead of paint. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using different pieces of fabric. I try to use like light same colors for it, but that's pretty much what I'm trying to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just, like I said, something different because I don't want you guys to feel bored with doing the same sort of stuff every week. So anyway, keep on watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment, and keep coming back. Every Saturday and every Tuesday you can always see a new video of mine. And it is finally starting to get warm where I live now, so I may be doing some other videos. I probably would go back into my studio because then it won't be so cold, because my studio is a garage really that was sealed off and paneled and all that stuff, but I don't think whoever did it did a really good job because it takes a long time to get it warmed up, and it pulls a lot of electricity to keep it warm in the winter time. So I think in the winter time I just come in and I use my office desk to do my videos. So hopefully I'll be able to go back in my studio and bring you all some more exciting stuff. So please enjoy this video, leave the comments and all that good stuff, and I will see you next, let me see, I'll see you next Tuesday for my next video. Okay, so thank you for watching guys, and bye now.